Alright guys, so this is the $6,000 C5 and we're gonna put some of these OEM GM sill plates, okay, decals, don't let them lie to you. They're really expensive too for what the hell they are. They're decals, really, that's all they are. And yeah, anyway, so they painted the car and they painted over this crap. Now I don't know, I don't know if this is that sandpaper stuff that you can buy. You can see it's still silver under it. Anyways, we're going to clean that off and we're going to put these OEM sill plate decals. Yeah, let me grab one. I'm going to show you what they look like. Oh yeah, yes sir. Let's see the light. Okay, there's the Corvette logo, and it's rolled up because it's a decal. Don't let them lie. See, the guy at the parts place, when I ordered them, we thought they were plates. When they came in, he had to double check to make sure these were the right ones, because when I came to pick them up today, he's like, all right, let me talk to you about them first. And I was like, oh, okay. So he pulled them out. He said, okay, this is what you ordered. And I was like, that's not a plate. He said, yeah, I know. I had to double check because I thought they were plates. They look like plates, like plastic plates. He said, but this is what showed up, and I looked it up, and yep, these are what came on the car. And I was like, well, all right, then, well, give me my $130 decals. He laughed. And I said, you know, I could have got my decal guy to do something very similar. I mean, yeah, it's textured, whoop-dee, but we agree this was not worth what I paid for them. But anyways, it's going to look better than this. So, I'm going to get all this crap off. I'm going to clean it up real good with some alcohol. And then we're going to stick them on. And you guys are going to come along for the ride. So, yep, there we go. Alright guys, so I finished cleaning it, and so I'm going to, I guess I'm going to Google, because I don't know exactly where it's supposed to go, how it lines up on stock, but I got to be careful because you can still see the outline, so it's got to go somewhere like right in here. But I'm gonna look at some Google images to see exactly where it's placed at on OEM. Because I want it to look like that. Now there's a line right here. I don't know if that's where it went, but it goes. I don't think it's supposed to go over that. I think it's supposed to go like that. So give me a few minutes. I'm gonna go look at some Google images and see exactly where I need to put this thing, because I want it to look factory. You know, the reason I spend $130 on some decals. Yeah, okay. I'm going to keep saying that because, yeah, that's a ripoff. But I guess you pay for the authentic GM. And so let me look at those and I'll be back. Alright? Later. What's up, guys? Alright, so I did some Googling. I couldn't actually find the dimensions, so I'm just going to kind of wing it. But I'm going to use that right there for basically my front stop, and I'm using this little indentation right here kind of to help me guide it. And from the pictures it looks like almost the edge of the flag, or the emblem, a little bit. Looks like it's about right there on the pictures, so we're going to try that. And I'm sure I'm going to screw this up because I can't hang pictures and I can't hang decals or anything, so I'm pretty bad at it. So I'm pretty sure this is going to be a $130 failure. So, but we're going to go with it. It's got to look better than the other. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to put you down. I really don't know if you can see me. So, let's screw this up. Yep, I like it. Let's screw it up. I really don't know which way to start. I think I'm going to start with the front because I can guide it better. I really hope I don't screw this up. I really want this car to look good. Oh man, yeah, I'm gonna screw this up. I screw up everything I do when it comes to this kind of stuff, so just letting you know. Oh my god, this is not a good time. Oh shit, I shouldn't have done that. Alright, there we go. Oh shit. Okay. There's probably a better way to do this. And I'm pretty sure there is. But I don't know the best way to do this, so we'll just let it fall and see if she falls. Well, I screwed up. Yep, the back's totally not even where I wanted it to go. Welcome to my life, where I screw up everything when it comes to stickers. I guess I should have played with stickers more when I was a kid. Yeah, probably. I was mainly playing with motors and go-karts, four-wheelers, dirt bikes, anything with a motor. I was playing with it instead of playing with stickers like most kids play with stickers. I did not. Well, it still looks better than what it did. Yeah, it kind of aggravates me, just a little. Yeah, I'm off by about a 16th. Yep, I'm off by a 16th on the back. Yeah, I'm perfect on the front. Alright guys, well this is how you screw up a sill plate. It really don't look that bad. I mean, you'd have to really look hard, but it still looks better than what it did. I don't know what that looks like, tar or something, yeah. I guess a rag will get that off. But yeah, I mean, it looks alright. But there you go, guys. There's a super expensive sill decal. It looks pretty good. I mean, yeah, it looks alright. I like it. So, I'm going to do the other side. And, yeah, guys. Well, thank you for joining me on this adventure on my $6,000 Corvette. And I hope you liked the video and subscribe. Thanks.